seatbelts, anyone? For investors this year, it's been a bumpy ride. Stephen Minar oversees the closed-end fund business for BlackRock. He says concern about market volatility and energy prices has sparked a flight to quality. And it also may present potential opportunity in at least two areas: taxable income and covered call funds.
In the current market environment, you have municipal funds that have come in terms of valuations, but I think this is an interesting market because it's really it's benefiting from this flight to quality trade. Then when you look at the taxable market, it's the complete opposite side of the trade, right? You have a lot of worry about energy and the exposure to energy, and so you've basically seen a lot of these valuations, both in the underlying bonds themselves and also at the fund level, the discounts widening out. And so I think you could find some value there. And then in terms of equities, I think we really like the cover call strategies right now and their ability to monetize a lot of this volatility and still participate in some of the upside.
According to CEF Connect, as of March 4th, there are about 44 closed-end funds featuring taxable income and about 27 featuring covered calls. Discounts for many taxable income funds range from about 7% to 15%. Discounts for many covered call funds range from about 5% to 14%. In Minar's view, the main challenge is what he calls a growth scare.
You have worries about China and a hard landing there. You have worries about the growth in the U.S. and European economies. You have worries about inflation, actually deflation, potentially, in markets. And so what we need to see is more certainty around the growth picture around the globe.
Bottom line, what's the suggestion for investors?
I think what investors need to consider are the potential risks of closed-end funds, but that those risks also lead to potentially great upside in all the sectors that we've discussed already. And you need to go out there and consider your risks, but closed-end funds do offer potential value, both in terms of the underlying exposure and the potential for discounts to narrow from current levels.
Stephen Minar of BlackRock pointing out a couple of areas to explore in the closed-end fund market. For more information and data on individual closed-end funds, visit our sponsor, cefconnect.com, the authority on closed-end funds.